under Bill Fitch, giving him a good long rest after a tiresome season. And more of a mental
win streak of the Minneapolis Lakers. Celtics going for their 27th straight at home.
I think the key matchup is Bird guarding.
Nets are going to go to their bench here in a second. Birdsong wants it and kisses it off.
They're showing off right now.
Yeah, they are. Jaminski got it. It's the second turnover there on Boston. New Jersey is 2 for 14 shooting here in the second quarter. Cale deep. Birdsong, the king. The runner goes.
All right.
Nice basket by Albert King, and Casey Jones is going to take a little time out here. Birdsong around a screen, and he nails it.
He's starting to feel it right now.
Birdsong wide open.
A good pick. Rotating to the first pass, first option. Got it to the second man.
Birdsong after Dennis Johnson one whizzing by. Led by 14 after 1. New Jersey made a rock to get it to 10 at the half after the Celtics were up as high as 22. Dennis Johnson's going to pick up that foul.
Otis is saying, it's about time I got a foul on a jump shot. I mean, you're clobbering me here.
Foul's a little more
adventure for this kid. I mean, that's atrocious. Good an outside shot. Toto.
16-point Boston lead. 4 minutes now to go here in the third. Birdsong behind the Jaminski pick, and he nails it.
He's getting about 20 shots a game or thereabouts.
Birdsong for 2 more. Birdsong's having a big night. It's taking their time in their half-court set here. Birdsong's the cutter. Nice move.
Nice pass from Mickey Johnson, too. Mickey Johnson. Really a heck of a player, in my opinion. When they signed an Albert King to a big contract.
Good point. He's in there now for McHale. Jaminski, jump hook. Takes his time. DJ. Rebound and Cook.
Excellent defense that time by the Nets.
Birdsong. 24 for Otis Birdsong. 37 straight, I believe, coming into today, so he's up around 44. Birdsong, tough move. Tough move.
Boy, I tell you, he got by his